Not enough time looking for your cheapest courier option? Say hello to our online wizard. Got an envelope, package or pallet to send? Our wizard is here to help. Just select your destination, tick your type of package and click Next. Have more than one item to send? No problem, fill in this easy form to let us know the weight and size. Now the wizard can get to work. He will show you all the cheapest rates. All you have to do is pick one and check the book button. Unlike other couriers, the wizard will also show you the variable fuel surcharge as part of the online quote, so there are no hidden surprises when you receive your final bill. Type in your destination address. Our wizard will save every consignee you've used to a handy address book. Next time, you can just click. Now pick a convenient collection date for you and let us know if you have any other instructions. Your confirmation of booking will pop up on the screen immediately. And very soon you'll have received an email consignment note. All you have to do now is to sit back and wait for your selected courier to arrive. It's as simple as that. Thank you for using the wizard, and don't forget your business rewards.